Hi and welcome back. I wanted to do this very short video just to give you an overview of this project. It's more extensive than the last one. It's more extensive than the next one will be. But the project is designed simply to give you some practice at what we're doing, because that's essential if you want to internalize it, and also to give you an idea of the types of things you can do with Google Sheets or any spreadsheet really, once you start to explore it. Okay, you can see that this project will consist of 4 tabs. I highly recommend you watch the videos. I know there are a lot of them, and I know they're of a significant length in cases. But unless you're already very comfortable with spreadsheets, I'd recommend you watch them because they give you lots of tips for saving time. And I don't want you to go out there and spend a lot more time doing this than you need to. Okay, the other thing I'm going to recommend very highly is there's a link to a video about how to watch videos. Okay, and I find that most people are not aware of a couple of tricks you can do with YouTube videos to cut your watching time down dramatically. Now, if I'm looking at new material, something I've never seen before, or something I find a little challenging, there's not too much I can do. I kind of have to watch those videos. I may have to stop them, pause them, rewind them, because I'm trying to learn something new or difficult. However, if you already feel like you've got a good idea how to do some or a lot of this, then you might not want to invest all that time in watching those videos. And there are tricks where you can still watch the video, but cut your time considerably. I know when I'm watching a video where I feel like I'm pretty comfortable with the content, but I want to see if there's anything else in there, I can generally cut my watching time from 10 minutes, for a 10-minute video, down to sometimes a minute. Okay, and not feel that I'm missing anything. So I highly recommend that you watch that video. I also highly recommend that you look at the picture sheet to kind of get an overall idea of what we're doing here. And then the approach you use, the combination of directions, the assessment tool, and the videos, is really going to be, your approach is going to be a little customized based on your prior knowledge and your comfort level working with spreadsheets. Okay, so good luck. Email me if you need any help, and have fun.